Hey guys, welcome back to Investing Guide. As we all know, the year 2021's had some major movements with the crypto market. It is a highly volatile market with token prices moving up and down in tremendous numbers. With this said, Cardano's ADA has had a seriously impressive performance throughout the year. It started 2021 at a $0.2 price and then broke its all-time high record to surpass the $3 mark in September, and it's now trading steadily at $2.18 in October's bearish trend. Analysis and crypto enthusiasts believe that the most recent bearish trend is coming to an end soon, and are expecting a bullish outlook in the coming weeks and months. Some are confident that it is highly unlikely for Cardano's price to dip further than where it currently stands. So it might be wise for investors to seriously consider investing in ADA tokens before the bullish trend begins, and that's something that will surely pay off in the long run. We're expecting to see a huge Cardano rally coming up, which will make the prices of ADA go through the roof. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at the price predictions for Cardano in October 2021. Is now a good buying opportunity? Will Cardano break past its $3 mark again by the end of the month, or potentially even soar higher than the $4 mark? Let's find out. But before we begin, if you like this type of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the world of investing. Let's get started. When we look at Cardano's performance over the year of 2021, we can see how much its price has moved. As we mentioned earlier, it opened the year in January at a $0.2 price, and months later it peaked in the middle of May at $2.4. This was a time that was looking really exciting for the Cardano community, as that was so explosive for the token. However, when the market crashed soon after that and experienced an intense dip for months, the price of the ADA token hit as low as $1 in June. It remained at that low $2 mark all through May until the market slowly recovered in August. Now you might be thinking that this is not so remarkable, but you've got to consider the fact that the crypto asset's been experiencing a bearish run this October and last September. For the market to have experienced another dip really isn't the happiest time for investors. But to have Cardano steadily fight and trade above the $2 mark is already a commendable feat. For a lot of people, dips in the market can feel quite scary, especially when you see your profits decrease. Wiser investors, however, use these buying opportunities to invest in strong coins that will undoubtedly survive and even soar to price heights that they've never seen before, and one such coin is Cardano. Since its inception, Cardano has remained in the top 10 cryptocurrencies of the world. As of today, it is the top 4th largest crypto by market cap, and it sits right behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. The Cardano network's made amazing improvements to its network this 2021. We saw it update its algorithm earlier in 2021 with the Mary upgrade in March, which was the second of 3 major Cardano updates. The Mary hard fork took the Cardano ledger from a single asset blockchain to a multi-asset one, which makes it a lot more complex. Then in September 2021, the network successfully implemented and updated the Alonzo hard fork, which saw the implementation of smart contract functionalities. The Alonzo upgrade was a long and much-awaited upgrade, as it was deemed to make Cardano compete more on par with its rival coin Ethereum. When the Alonzo upgrade was released, however, the Cardano community and crypto enthusiasts were dismayed, as it seemed the hype was bigger than the actual release. Now, this is not to say that it did not add value to the ADA token. We have to consider the fact that the upgrade was also released in the month of September, which, historically, is known to be a typically bearish month in the crypto market. The Cardano network also had huge deals and projects alongside in its pipeline, which will propel the network higher into the skies over time. You may or may not have heard this, but there was news on the IOHK website reporting that a luxury Australian spirits brand, Straight Brands, has chosen to partner up with Cardano. This news comes as Straight Brands embraces a blockchain-first approach in managing its supply chain. The company aims to deliver over 4 million bottles before the end of 2022, with its entire production process developed using the Cardano platform. That's a huge opportunity for Cardano to make itself known and more used in a more diverse set of industries. The Cardano network and Charles Hoskinson, Cardano's founder, believe in a long-term scientific approach to developing the entire blockchain network. Hoskinson is confident that a more research-based approach will secure Cardano's future in terms of scalability, security, and accessibility, and usability in our daily lives. Hoskinson hopes that Cardano's blockchain tech can be used across different industries, such as education and finance, and that the ADA token will become more accessible for everyday transactions. There's definitely potential here for Cardano and its third-generation blockchain technology to lead the crypto, dApps, and DeFi space in the future. But what does this mean exactly, and how does this affect the future prices of ADA? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and before we continue, if you're liking the video so far, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn your notifications on. Will Cardano break past that $3 mark by the end of October? If so, what other things might await for the crypto asset, and what might give it a really huge rally and boom in the price? Let's take a look. There's already been some recent news regarding artificial intelligence coming onto the Cardano ecosystem. Awakening Health, a joint venture between Hanson Robotics and Singularity Net, developed an AI robot called Grace. Grace's purpose is to interact with the elderly and other isolated individuals in light of the pandemic, and Cardano's role is to provide the highest levels of security and privacy. In addition, Cardano will ensure lower and more stable costs while dramatically improving the AI's performance. And Cardano's scalability also allows Grace's system to process biodata a lot quicker and at the highest level. This is something that will boost Cardano in the long run, and it will increase its value over time. We all know that we're living in a highly digital age, and artificial intelligence is also still in its early stages. With Cardano getting on the AI train, we can surely expect more from it in the months and years to come. It is pretty obvious that more and more companies are partnering with Cardano, and it's really exciting to see that these projects vary in terms of industries. Bottom line is that more and more people are slowly getting on the Cardano ecosystem. What other things might interest people and companies in using Cardano? Cardano is also known for its ultra-fast transaction speeds. The network uses Hydra heads to increase and maximize transaction speeds, with each Hydra head able to carry out 1,000 transactions per second. And with each person that joins the Cardano network, 10 heads are thus created. And you know what that means, right? It means that over time, the more people that join the Cardano network, the faster the transaction speed of the network will be. Not to mention that Cardano is well known to be one of the most eco-friendly options in the crypto space, which means that it is one of the more viable options in the long run. Earlier in 2021, we saw Elon Musk suspend the use of Bitcoin due to the environmental concerns he had. So, eco-friendliness is definitely something that is seriously being considered by big and influential people on top, who undeniably have an effect on market environments and movements. Cardano is comfortably sitting just below the $2 mark, but Cardano enthusiasts think it might just be a sleeping giant. The Cardano network is quite young in comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it already possesses and has accomplished great feats and continues to have huge projects in its pipeline. Hoskinson's also confident that its academic and research-based approach will ensure its success and give it some various projects over time, with less room for errors. Price predictions are quite hard at the moment as serious investors and the wider Cardano community continue to wait and see what happens. There's no doubt a lot is going for the network right now. What might Cardano's price be by the end of October? With everything currently going on with the coin, analysis suggests that we might be able to see the price of ADA move upwards from where it currently is. So after this current cycle, it's definitely not impossible to see Cardano's price spike up to $3.5. We want to know what your thoughts are. Will Cardano soar higher and reach the $2.5 or even $3.5 mark? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you for watching another one of our videos. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.